Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Hub. Before going to today's topic, we have to revise some previous topics in order to understand this topic easily. First, see what they are. First one, it is degree. What it is? Degree of a expression or degree of an expression or degree of an equation. First, let us see what is degree. But before going to find degree of an expression, first we have to know what is meant by degree of a term. In algebra, what is the degree of a term? Suppose I am writing some terms here. Observe here 2x square, 3xy, 5x square yz, 6 minus 6 xy square or minus 5y. Here these are terms, right? You can call these are a single term of an algebra. Now we will see what is the degree of each and every term. Here degree represents the power of the term. Here the power of the variable. Now see here this variable have power 2. So we can tell the degree of this term is 2. And coming to the second term, here how many variables we have? We have two variables, each multiplying, right? So what we have to do means the power is 1 for each variable. So we have to add these two powers to get the degree of this term. So the degree here is also equal to 2. Coming to third example, here what we have? First one you have power 2, second one 1, third one you have 1. So the degree of this term will be 4. You have to add all the powers. And here it is 1, here it is 2. So 3. Here degree does not depends on the coefficient. Degree does not depends on the coefficient. Now here we have only one variable and the power is 1. So degree is also equal to 1. Now coming to degree of an equation or expression. Suppose we have expressions like this. 2x square plus 3y plus 5. This is one. Let it be one expression. Another expression. Suppose this is an equation. Anything, whether it may be equation or expression, no difference. But what is the degree now? Degree of an expression refers to the highest degree of that any term. That means if we have to see the degrees of each and every term. Here, don't have variables, so it won't be. First, if you want to find the degree of this equation or expression, what I have to do means I have to find the degree of each and every term and I have to see the highest degree. That highest degree is called the degree of this expression. Or see here, this term, the degree of this term is 2. The degree here is 1 plus 1, it is 2. Here it is 0, no variable. So highest degree, highest power, here we have 2. So this is the degree of this expression. Degree of this equation is 2. Whether if it is equal to 0, we have equation, and if nothing is there equal to, we can conclude it as expression. Now see, here we have 1. Here we have 1. The degree of this term is 2 plus 1, it is 3. So highest degree is 3. So degree of this equation is 3. In the same way, here we have C. First term, second term, and third term. First term we have 1, second term also 1, third term also 1. So the degree is also equal to 1. The highest degree of the terms of the equation, we call it as the degree. Now coming back, what is linear equation? What it is? Linear equation. But we know what is equation. Equation is nothing but two algebraic identities. What it is? Equation means two algebraic expressions includes equality. includes equality. Nothing but if any algebraic expression has equal to sign in it, then we can tell it as an equation. Suppose here it is nothing is there, then this is an expression. If I can write anything equal to something, 0 or equal to 5 or equal to another expression, then you can tell it as equation like this. But what is linear equation? Linear equation refers to those type of equations with degree 1. What it is? Degree 1. If the degree of an equation is 1, then you can tell those type of equations as linear equation. Out of these three equations, what is the linear equation here? Here the degree is 2, so it is not linear equation. This is degree is 3, so it is not linear equation. This degree is 2, right? X plus y plus z is equal to 0. Degree is 1. So here, this you can tell it as linear equations. But it is also depends upon number of variables. Linear equation in one variable, linear equation in two variables, like that we will get. If you have only one variable, you can tell linear equation in one variable, like 2x plus 5 equal to 0. This is an equation in only one variable and degree is 1. So you can tell it as linear equation in one variable. And here 2x plus 3y equal to something. Here you have two variables, but degree is 1. So you can tell linear equation in two variables and linear equation in one variable. These are about degree equation and linear equation. Now, see what is this one? We can call it as a line. And if I draw it on a graph, what is here? This line represents what? You call it as x-axis. This we call it as y-axis. And these two are also two lines, right? And we are calling them as one as x-axis and one as x-axis. This line is x-axis and this line is y-axis. And the point where these two meet, we call it as origin, right? And here we give names to these two lines. But if I want to know what is this line, can it have any name? No. But in mathematics, in order to represent any line, whatever the line it may be, it will be having a separate identification. And that identification, we call it as the equation of that particular line. What it is? Equation of that line. Equation of line. And we will see what those equations are. Let us see here. Suppose starting from x and y axis, these two are also lines, right? Starting from y axis and x axis, this is origin. If you want to represent x-axis as an equation, can I tell how all the points on x-axis are? All the points on x-axis have a similar quality, is nothing but, and every point, if you take this point, well, you can write it as 1 comma 0. If you take this point, you can write it as 2 comma 0. If you take this point, you can write it as 3 comma 0. In the same way, 4 comma 0. If you come to negative side, you can write it as minus 1 comma 0, minus 2 comma 0, minus 3 comma 0, like that, right? What is the similarity in all the points? In all the points, we are getting y as 0. You can tell y equal to 0, right? So, this is the indication for the x-axis, or you can call it as the equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. In the same way, if you see on y-axis, here this point we can tell it as 0 comma 1, right? This is 0 comma 2, 0 comma 3, so on. Here in the same way, 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma minus 2, 0 comma minus 3. So all the points having x coordinate equal to 0. So you can write it as x equal to 0 is the equation of y axis. Now if I want to represent this line with the help of equation, what is the similarity or what is the general quality of all the points on this line? What I have to see what it is. Here we will get 3 comma 1, here it is 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, like that I will get. Here also 3 comma minus 1, 3 comma minus 2, 3 comma minus 3, like this I will get. So the general quality of all the points on this line is what? X coordinate is 3, right? X coordinate is 3. Whatever the point you will take on this line, you will get it as x equal to 3. So the equation of this line is x equal to 3. In the same way, if I want to write the equation of this line, what it is? Here each and every point, if you take this point as 0 comma 2, here it is, you will get like this 3 comma 2, here 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 2. In the same way, minus 1 comma 2, minus 2 comma 2, minus 3 comma 2, like that. In each and every point the y coordinate is same, so you will get it as the equation as y equal to 2. Okay, like this we will get the equations of lines. If you observe all this, x equal to 0, y equal to 0, or y equal to 2, x equal to 3, here you can write like this, right? This one, y plus 2 equal to 0. Can I write it as x plus 3 equal to 0? This is an equation, this is an equation, right? What type of equations those two are? Those two are equations with degree 1, nothing but those two are linear equations. Yes or no? Can I tell these two as linear equations? I can tell, right? So any linear equation represent a straight line on graph, and here we have only one variable. Let us see with two variables. Suppose I have line like this. Let us take it as graph x and y axis, and I want to write the equation for this line. What it is? Suppose this is 0 comma 0, here it is 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, like this point are there. If I want to write the equation, if I want to name this line, how I can name this line as every point of here, every x coordinate is equal to y coordinate. Here also you will get it as minus 1 comma minus 1, minus 2 comma minus 2, like that. So I can write it as x equal to y, and this x equal to y, can I write it as x minus y equal to 0? Yes or no? I can write. So this is also a linear equation in two variables, but the power is 1. This is also a linear equation, right? And if I want to write the equation like this, moving to origin, suppose, and here the points will be minus 1 comma 1, minus 2 comma 2, minus 3 comma 3, and here 0 comma 0. Here it is 1 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus 2, 3 comma minus 3. If these are the points on this line, and I want to name this line, how I can name it as? If you see, if we add these two, we will get 0. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. Minus 2 plus 1, it is 0. So, can I tell all the points on this line satisfy this condition x plus y equal to 0? Yes, right? All the points on this line satisfy the condition x plus y equal to 0. So, we can name the equation of that line as x plus y equal to 0. So, the name or the identification we will give to each and every line is called the equation of that particular line, and in mathematics every equation of line or else every straight line, the equation of every straight line must be a linear equation. Whatever the line you can take on graph, however it is. Okay, you will get the equation as a linear equation, and in the name itself we have what it is, linear, which means linear means that forms a line. In English, if you see the meaning of a linear in dictionary, you can find which forms a line. So the linear equations are nothing but the equations which forms line, and equation of a line and a graph or equation of a line, you will get it as a linear equation. This you have to keep it in mind. Now coming to this concept, equation of line, what it represent? Any equation of line is a linear equation, and each and every equation represent set of points lies on that line. Okay, if I tell 2x plus 3y equal to 5 is the equation of a line, this line represent all the points which lies on this line, or else if you take any p x comma y, any point satisfies this condition, then you can tell p lies on this line. If I take 1 comma 1, suppose 1 comma 1 is a point. If this satisfies this line or not, we will check 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 equal to 5. Is it correct? 2 plus 3 equal to 5, 5 equal to 5. So this is correct. Nothing but this point satisfies this condition. So you can tell point 1 comma 1 lies on this line. Okay, nothing but any equation represents set of points which lies on that particular line. Suppose x-axis and y-axis. Now this is one line. What it is? X plus y is equal to 5. Suppose this is a linear equation, right? Linear equation which it represents a line, and that line represents all the points which lies on that line. So can I take some points 0 comma 5 satisfy this point, right? And 1 comma 4 satisfy this point. 2 comma 3 satisfies, 3 comma 2, like that. So on many points you will get. If you draw it on graph, we will see how it will come. First 0 comma 5, nothing but 1 2 3 4 5, you will get like this. Next 1 comma 4, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 1, 5 comma 0. Now if you join all the points which satisfy this condition, here it forms a straight line, right? Nothing but each and every point on this line satisfies this condition, or else if you draw any linear equation on graph, you will get a straight line. So finally we have to conclude two things here from the equation of line. Nothing but any point satisfies the equation of line lies on that line. That means if any point satisfies this condition, then that point you can tell it lies on that line. And in the same opposite to that one, if any point satisfies the equation of line, then you can tell this point lies on that line. Same vice versa. That means if one point satisfies the equation, you can tell it lies on that line, and if any point lies on that line, you can tell it satisfies the condition. Now we know what is meant by equation of a line. So for further topics, please subscribe our channel and please follow us. Thank you.